In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom fields in the business card reader for HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize your CRM experience, setting up custom fields can significantly enhance how you capture and organize information from business cards. Let's dive in and transform your CRM setup into a more personalized and efficient tool. First things first, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you'll need to head over to the settings. You can find the settings icon in the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a new menu where you'll find various options related to your account's configuration. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the settings labeled Integrations. This is where you can manage all the applications connected to your HubSpot account. Click on Integrations and you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Connected Apps. Go ahead and click on that. In the Connected Apps section, you'll find a button labeled Add More Connections at the top right. This is your gateway to connecting additional applications to your HubSpot CRM. When you click on it, you'll be taken to a marketplace where you can explore various apps that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Now, in the search bar on this marketplace page, type in Business Card. This will help you locate the Business Card Reader app quickly. You'll see a list of results, and you'll want to find the app specifically designed to integrate with HubSpot, ensuring it offers the capability to read and organize business card details. Once you've found it, follow the prompts to connect this app to your HubSpot account. During this process, you may be asked to grant certain permissions. These are necessary for the app to function correctly within your CRM, so be sure to review and accept them if they align with your needs. After the app is successfully connected, the next step is to configure the custom fields. This is where you can tailor the information that gets captured from business cards to fit your specific business requirements. The process might differ slightly depending on the app, but generally you'll have options to map various fields from the business card to the corresponding fields in your CRM. Custom fields allow you to capture unique data points that are important to your business, such as industry-specific information or personal notes. This ensures that every piece of information you gather is relevant and useful. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only added a powerful tool to your HubSpot CRM, but also ensured that the data you capture with the business card reader is organized in a way that maximizes its value. With custom fields set up, you can now seamlessly convert business card information into actionable insights, all within your HubSpot CRM. Happy organizing!